Attack your opponent's guard. T-step Biu Sao, Lao Sao, Pak Sao Punch. Defend the hook. Inside Lop Sao, side palm to the neck to finish.
Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is another one of our Wing Chun sparring techniques. It's attacking with Biu Sao. But before we get there, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your support, and have a great day. T-step Biu Sao, Lao Sao, Pak Sao palm strike, Lop Sao, side palm to finish. T-step Biu Sao, Lao Sao, Pak Sao palm strike, Lop Sao, side palm to finish. Attack your opponent's guard. T-step Biu Sao, Lao Sao, Pak Sao Punch. Defend the hook. Inside Lop Sao, side palm to the neck to finish. Attack your opponent's guard. T-step Biu Sao, Lao Sao, Pak Sao Punch. Defend the hook. Inside Lop Sao, side palm to the neck to finish. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.